Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a totally different video for you. I have a cleaning tutorial related to the kitchen, but it's definitely not food. And so I thought I would take a little break from the cooking videos and do a cleaning video. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate two different products and show how you can clean that stubborn black mold that might be on your kitchen tile or in your bathroom tile. And so I'm going to be doing two different methods and two different products. And the first product I'm going to show is this cleaning gel. It's a mold mildew removal gel. And I bought this on Amazon. I'll put a link down below in the description of this video where you can find this product. And then the other product is just normal household bleach. And you use this in conjunction with paper towel. And so I'm going to demonstrate both methods in two different parts, two different bathrooms, and two different styles of mold. One mold is going to be right in between the classic white tile, like the old 80s style tile, and grout. You might get some black mold that develops there. I'm going to do the gel on that. And then I'm going to show you kind of down at the base of the tub where the caulking and the wall meet. Sometimes that will develop some black mold as well. And just normal cleaning products don't do a great job cleaning it if you don't stay on top of it. And I am notorious for being terrible at cleaning, especially the bathrooms. And so these two different methods, you might want to give those a try and see how it works on your black mold situations. And so here we go. Here's the first area, this area here in my guest bathroom upstairs. And you can see that nasty black mold there on the tile, and it's been there for quite a while. And then now I'm going to use the gel on this spot. Okay, so you take the product and you unscrew the top. And then what I did is you take a bead of it and you just put it along the area that has the mold. This whole area is black and moldy, and it's just really hard to clean. It's been that way for years. So anywhere where there's mold, just put it on there. And if you notice, this cleaner just stays right on the area that's affected. It doesn't like drip way down or anything. So it's really good for cleaning grout like this in between tiles and things. And so what you do is you're going to let it sit for 4 to 5 hours and let it do its thing on that mold. And then we'll come back when it's done. Okay, it's been about, I want to say 6 or 7 hours actually. I had to run out and do some things, but as you can see, the darkness is actually cleared up pretty well. And then I'll take a damp cloth and you can just wipe it off the tile. And it did a pretty decent job cleaning that grout. Really, really good job for that particular spot. And then if it's still not done, you can reapply and do another go at it. And then you'll want to rinse it off, give it a good rinse. Okay, so that gel did a really good job in that particular type of spot where the tiles meet and that little grout gets a little bit of black mold on it. And now on to the other spot and the other method. So this method is here in my bathroom, my master bath. This spot right here with the caulking and the wall just has been black for quite a while, and just the normal products haven't been cleaning it very well. And so what we do is I'm going to use the bleach and the paper towel method. This is a pretty common method out there. Is I just have a container here, and then what I'm going to do is just take some normal household bleach and pour that in there. And this works really good for like the base of the tub, where it can get kind of really stubborn there. And then just take paper towel, and you're going to make sure to wear gloves. You don't want to put your skin on there. And just take some paper towel, and we're going to dip that in there like this. And then we will wring it out a little bit. And so it is like that, wrung out a little bit, but still has bleach on it. And we'll put this right on the base. And so this spot right here just has been really hard to clean. That other product didn't work that well, that gel. And so another method you can try is just take that paper towel and just squish it up right on there with that bleach. And then we'll leave it there for about an hour or two and then see how it goes. You can also do it on this area right here, which is hard to clean, but that is right on the finish of the tub. So sometimes you want to be careful about that. It may take the finish off a bit, but I'm going to go ahead and add some right here as well. And you'll notice we aren't scrubbing. We don't have like a toothbrush or like a brush and just scrubbing really hard. And sometimes that can be kind of a pain to clean that way. We're just letting this bleach work for us without scrubbing. So I'm going to push this on here as well. Just see if we can't clean up that spot. And you can try this method also on the tile, on the vertical lines of the tile, because this will stick fairly well, the damp, bleached paper towel. But I like that gel method, the gel, because it just sticks right on there really nice. But the gel doesn't always work in other spots. So sometimes you just use a combination of methods to get the job done. I'll come back in a couple hours and see how this looks. And this spot has been very, very stubborn. This is actually like my third or fourth application of this. And so we'll see how it's doing this time. Yeah, there we go. That's much better. This whole spot right here is finally clean. And that spot along the wall right there is way better than it was. Looks like I just need another go right there at the base. And that'll happen. Sometimes you just need to do a couple different applications and for longer times and to get at it. But that's looking much better than it was. Awesome. All right, so there you go. That's two different methods that you can try for cleaning that tile in your kitchen or in your bathrooms. And I recommend maybe trying the bleach method first because that's the cheapest method. And it should stick to the tile along the walls. It may not stick. And if that's the case, then you'll have to go for the gel. There is another product that you can try for a third method is you can just try normal toilet bowl cleaner. That can do a good job as well. And you'll use that in conjunction with paper towels, very similar to what you do with the Clorox bleach or the bleach. But with the toilet bowl, you can just like run that all over the place on your tile. And then down at the base, you can use the paper towels. So there you go. That's a couple different methods that you can try, a couple different products that you can try for cleaning your tile. Once again, I am Matt Taylor, and this is In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Take care, and happy cleaning and happy cooking, everyone.